Today we'll be showing how to submit data onto the Bumble Bee Watch app. Initially, you'll be taken to a page with all the species found in North America. To narrow down to the species found in Michigan, you'll select the funnel icon in the top right, then Chicago area. Here, you'll want to select the species that appears to be in the photo that you've taken. If you don't get the exact identification, that's okay. Experts will verify later. You'll then be taken to a page with description information about that species. Other useful tabs include phenotypic illustrations, photo references, and a range map to show the range distribution for the species and previous sightings. When you're ready to upload your photos, select the plus icon in the top right. You'll then confirm the species as well as the location of the sighting. Bumble Bee Watch allows you to include observation notes. Typical useful information includes the weather of the day. Today it was 67 degrees and partly cloudy, so that's all I include in my notes. If you happen to know the floral host, feel free to include that as well. If not, that's okay. When you're ready to upload your photo, select the gray box, Photo Library, and then select the photo that you've taken of the bee. Bumble Bee Watch allows you to crop this photo, so crop the bee in the center of the photo. When you're ready to submit, select Submit in the top right.